Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix navigation pane is not showing up or the navigation pane is missing in your Windows 11 File Explorer. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, we need to search for our File Explorer. So at the bottom search bar, type for File Explorer. You can also press Windows and letter E key together as an eagle, and in that way you would be able to bring up the File Explorer window. So once a best match would appear here, click on Open to continue. Now the case is our navigation pane is missing. So basically we can't see the documents, the videos, the pictures, this PC that we have, the desktop that we have here at the left pane, which are the navigation pane, which is the navigation pane here at the File Explorer. So in order to fix such, we'll be performing a very basic step, okay? And the very first step that you need to do is you need to proceed with the upper center of the screen. You can see there view, filter, and the three dots. Here you need to proceed with view, and there you can see a down arrow key. Click on it to say layout and view options. The moment you do that, you would be able to see here tiles, content, details pane, preview pane, and show. You need to proceed with show, and here you can see there navigation pane, compact view, item checkboxes, file name extensions, and hidden items. So since our navigation pane is missing, now the reason is we haven't checked it. Okay, we haven't checked the navigation pane. So in order to show the navigation pane, we need to tap on it, and in that way, we have just successfully fixed our navigation pane, which is missing earlier. Okay, so that's it. You can access to home, you can see your gallery as well as the desktop, what is being saved here, the desktop, in your downloads as well, in the documents that you have, in the pictures as well, in the music if you have being saved here as well as the videos, your this PC which contains your drives, your devices and drives, your C drive, the folder of your local disk as well as the network. Okay? So if you have seen also your hidden items, you can also hide it by navigating to view, go with show, and then check the hidden items. And in that way, you would be able to hide it. So close the window and you're good to go. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.